Hey beautiful souls! So today this recipe is for the chicken curry lovers. So few weeks back I made this curry. This is butter chicken curry. So this is really easy to make, so that's why I thought of bringing this to you. So here I've taken 1 kilo of chicken thighs cut into bit bigger pieces, and then let's season it with some salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, medium curry powder, and at last you can add 2 teaspoons of soy sauce as well. And then after, you can give this a good mix. This is just to marinate the chicken. I'm especially going to use the butter chicken paste, which I always love to buy from Coop Food. So I will show you in a little while. So mix all these ingredients with chicken and set it aside to marinate. So this is the butter chicken curry paste I always use for my butter chicken curry. So this is actually I buy from Coop supermarket. So come, now let's make this delicious butter chicken curry. So as we have already marinated the chicken, I forgot to add one ingredient, that is yogurt, so that's why I'm adding it now. So you can add 3 tablespoons of yogurt as well when you're marinating. So now you can give it a good mix. Alright, now we have mixed the yogurt as well, so we can keep it aside and cut the other ingredients. Now all the ingredients are ready, so we can cook our butter chicken curry. So in a pan you can add some oil first, and then on top of that you can add 2 tablespoons of butter and let it melt. Now as you can see, the butter is melted. Now you can add your onions, green chilies and curry leaves and also pandan leaves, and then give it a good stir and let it fry for a few minutes. After a little while you can add the garlic paste and also the ginger paste, around 1.5 teaspoons each. Now you can add the marinated chicken into the fry. and then give it a good mix and let it fry with the onions and all that. So it will give a good flavor to your chicken. So let it cook for 2-3 minutes like that, and then it is time to add your butter chicken curry paste. Now this is how it comes, the curry powder mix in a cup like this separately, and the butter chicken curry paste in the bottle. So first you can add the curry powder to the chicken mix and then give it a good mix, and then after you can add the paste in the bottle and then mix it like this. Unfortunately I couldn't video that part for you, but it's just as it is. Just mix them both and give it a good mix like this, and let it cook for like around 3 minutes after adding the paste. Now it's time to add the cream. So I like to add coconut milk. Also you can add single cream if you whatever you prefer, so it gives a different taste, and coconut milk will give you a different taste, but both are nice. So today I'm trying the coconut milk. So you also can add single cream if you like, that's according to your preference. Okay, so now we have added all the required ingredients. Now we can let it cook for around 5 to 7 minutes. Then your butter chicken curry will be ready. So at this moment, if you would like to add more salt, you can add that too, and then let it cook. Our delicious butter chicken curry is ready. I love this aroma. So it is ready to serve. So you can serve this with rice, roti, paratha, bread, string hoppers, or whatever it is. So thanks for watching me till the end. Let's see you soon with another lovely video.